Hi everyone, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples. I'm here today to talk to you about a new trade-in that we just get in. It's a 2015 Sea Hunt Escape. As you can see, one of the neat features of the boat, it's got the dive door here. Very convenient for bringing fish on board, getting on board as well, so it's another entrance onto the board. So really nice, neat feature of the boat. Stainless steel rub rail here. And the hull is really nice shape. If you look at the condition, it's got a good gloss on it. And it's got a very nice flare to the bow as it goes around. So this boat it's a smaller boat, but it is designed to go out into the Gulf, into the deep water. As we move towards the back of the boat, you got a couple of things back here. It does have trim tabs, so you got, and it also has underwater lighting as well. So a couple of nice, neat features here. And it's powered by the Yamaha 200. Plenty of power for a 23-foot boat. Get you up and running real quick, and it'll take you offshore very quickly. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board, and let's start at the stern of the boat. Told you when we were off the boat about the dive door. Nice, one of the nicer features on the boat. Back here we've got rod holders that go all the way around. You've got the recessed cleats, which are nice. And here you got the batteries. You got a live well, and you got a bucket designated bucket storage right there for bait and fish and anything else you want to put in there. And as we move around here, we've got a lounger, got an extension piece that actually goes up or down, so you can lounge either way. And we do have it's a fish box in here that you can keep all the fish that you catch in there. You can ice it down, self-draining. We move this forward here. Now you've got a comfortable seat. You do have a small head. It's a porta potty head, but it's big enough and it will do the job. A little extra storage behind there as well. We've got the canvas, which the boat has full canvas, so that's what's in there right now. Then comfy captain's chair right here. All your gauges for your temperatures and everything else for the engine right there. Remote control for the stereo and control for the trim tabs as well, and little place to maybe keep your phone, a little dry storage in there. Place to charge your phone here as well, and you've got the plug in there for your music. And then as we move into here, we've got a decent amount of storage. They're keeping life jackets in there, as you can see, so but you can plenty of room to keep duffel bags and extra things, extra gear that you may need on the boat. You've got floor storage in here, which is actually very good size. And then up at the bow, you've got a very large fish box here. So you're catching fish, plenty of place to ice it down, self-draining. And then when we close it up, this just folds on here like so. And now you've got a real large sun pad up here. So very comfortable place if you're not fishing, hanging out, grab bars to hold on to, drink holders. And lastly, there's your storage for your anchor, so it's out of the way, it's not a trip hazard. So nicely done on that. And there you have it on the Sea Hunt. It's a great boat for around here. It takes you into the shallow waters pretty good, but will take you offshore as well. So for a 23-foot boat, it does them both very, very well. So if you have any questions on it, would like to make an appointment to see it, my name is Bob Freeman. My number is 603-213-1194. Love to hear from you.